Hello again, this is Quintus Hegie speaking to you. My skill is mind training, and as a Master Hypnotist I guide location-independent entrepreneurs in achieving their success and breaking free from any chains that are holding them back. In this short video I will want to explain to you what are my main offerings for you, what are my main services as a mind trainer and Master Hypnotist. And actually they are threefold. I have three main specializations where I help a particular group of people with becoming better and achieving more and breaking free. The first group that I coach are location independent entrepreneurs. And even if you're not location independent yet, I can help and coach you there. For location independent entrepreneurship, or if you want to shift to that sector, you'll have to learn how to be a good location independent entrepreneur. And especially if this is like the first time that you're getting into entrepreneurship, you'll want to learn how to be a good entrepreneur and how to become location independent, how to make a profit. And as you are the only or the main person here in your business, in your practice, the limitations that you have on yourself are actually also the limitations that will be on your business potential. So when I coach with location independent entrepreneurs, they come to me because they find that something is holding them back. They can't put their finger on it, but it's having something to do with their beliefs and with their mind. That they don't get the success or don't achieve the progress that they would like to see with themselves in their life, and as a result of that also in their business. This is the first category of people that I coach. So if you want to grow in your entrepreneurship, then as you grow and get more profits and scale up, then you also want to adopt to that, to be able that there's nothing anymore from your past that's holding you back, limiting beliefs, bad conventions, or maybe some traumas, and you actually want to become that person that's able to achieve the targets that you set for yourself, and also without effort. So how do you become that kind of person? The second group that I teach hypnosis with are actually groups of people, and that I do at events. So take for example corporate events, company events, congresses, conferences. There I give a workshop for a group, a 1 hour workshop or maybe 1.5 hour workshop, where I learn a group of people that attend that conference or event or learning week, so to say, about the power of the mind, what you can do with the mind. It's an introductory workshop for anyone that will just like to have a first introduction about what can you do with your mind. It will be very mind-blowing. Example teams that I make for these kind of group workshops, for like groups of 25, 50 to 100 people, is how to become your own superhero, or how to have accelerated learning for problem solving if there's a complex problem that you are struggling with in your work or in your life. How can you solve that? These are examples of teams of trainings that I give for bigger groups. That's my second part, and the third area that I specialize in is in sensuality. And this really relates to, and I call it sensual hypnosis. This really relates to our energy as persons, male or female, like our masculine energy and also our feminine energy for the women, where we are stuck in our minds with being in tune with our core root energies. I'll work here with sensuality. What kind of examples of situations do I then coach clients? For example, I have men that want more confidence, also women want more confidence in being truly an authentic male with a passionate leadership, with a mission to go for. and that will also help them to feel better masculine and more stronger, and it will also improve their connection with their bodies and senses. There's clients that have erectile dysfunction, so I help them to be relaxing again and be more masculine. This is really like a very personal thing about sensuality. So that's my third specialization. For women, it can be that you may have problems reaching orgasm, and being in touch with your true femininity and feminine archetypes. These are examples of the third category where I specialize in. So summarizing, there are 3 groups of target audiences for my mind trainings with hypnosis. The first group are entrepreneurs, location independent entrepreneurs, people who are switching to that area. You want to achieve things that you've never achieved before, and this also translates to your personal level and to your business results. And the second area of my expertise is into giving group workshops, introductory group workshops. So these are more light compared to the one-on-one sessions I have with entrepreneurs. And the third category where I give mind training is in the area of sensuality. So these are really like personal things about masculinity, femininity, and that area about this playing with the senses and being more raw in that part. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or want to know a bit more, please put it below in the chat or respond to this trailer, to this video, and I'm happy to hear about it. And if you want to know more, go to my website. It's also supplied here. So thanks very much, and I'm happy to look forward to coaching with you or